Sajivani Fernando. I'm working as a laboratory manager at Calix. I joined Calix in 2012 as a material scientist and get promoted to laboratory manager last year. As a laboratory manager, it's my responsibility to maintain the lab at high standard and deliver quality results in an efficient way. During that role, I need to make sure the lab operator in a safety environment. Not only that, in my role, I had to work collaboratively with research and development project leads. So through effective communication and problem solving, I contribute to the successful management of lab. Most rewarding part of my job is actually I get active involvement in many Calix innovation projects. By witnessing lab contribution leading to successful proof concept and technology, truly fulfilling for me. I was drawn to Calix because of their commitment to find environmental friendly and sustainable solution for the globally existing challenges. So I thought that by being part of the Calix team, I can do my contribution for the greater cause. So, and save the world for the future generation. So that's why I joined the Calix. My favorite part of the job is actually daily challenges come with the managing of the lab. Finding solution for the problems, whether it is technical, operational or logistic, truly keep my job dynamic and interesting. Our culture can be characterized by their emphasis on innovation and collaboration. Our team work together to fostering an environment where everyone's ideas are heard and everyone's ideas inputs value. I will go for the sense of urgency because we need to find solution for the global warming very urgently. Sometimes it is kind of frustrating because we can't act according to our urgency. So our technology have the ability to capture the carbon dioxide, and we have some processes introducing where we can minimize the CO2, zero CO2 emission mineral processing processes. So we need to urge these processes applying in the industry. Calix have high value for the work-life balance of their employers. They provide employers the working from home option and flexible working time. So it helped me to manage my personal and professional life nicely. They can support for employer in their any mental and personal crises. So yeah, they value highly about the well-being of Calix employers.